Hello everyone, welcome to Lit Studio by Karishma. So today we are going to talk about Neo-Aristotelian school. So what does the word neo mean? The word neo means new, right? So what does the title say? It is a new Aristotelian school, all right? So what are the proponents of this particular school preach? They preach about the ideas that were given by Aristotle in his work Poetics, all right? The new school derived from the ideas of Aristotle's Poetics, all right? So they preached that it's important to look at individual text within a genre. What does the school of Neo-Aristotelian critics say? They say that every text should belong to a particular genre. For example, if you take Hamlet, it should be belonging to the genre of tragedy, right? So that's what these people say, that every text should be placed in a certain genre, all right? So at first, this particular school was emerged in the 1930s and continued till 1950s, all right? It emerged in Chicago. That is why it is also called as the Chicago School of Linguistics. All right, Chicago School of Critics. As it emerged in Chicago, it is also called as Chicago School of Critics. All right, it is against new critics. They say that new criticism as a theory should not be encouraged, and they are very against the ideas of new criticism, because if you see the ideas of new criticism, it says that a text should be an organic whole. It should not be studied under a particular umbrella term of what genre it belongs to. It should not be studied depending on who the author is, etc., etc., right? So it is completely against the new critics, and it preached the ideas given by Aristotle in his work Poetics. Okay, Aristotle, for example, if you take his work Poetics, has given the ideas of tragedy, plot, character, thought, diction, and dialogue. He also talks about the kind of costumes and all that, but these are the very important concepts that will elevate the tragedy. The For example, no, that is the drama of that age, right? For example, in the time of Aristotle's, only tragedy is considered to be a true form of drama. That is the reason why he has given the characteristics of tragedy, all right? And Aristotle says these particular things are all the characteristics of tragedy. And then the new Aristotelian school of critics believed in all these aspects of drama, all right? Who are the Chicago School of Critics? They are all the professors who are working in the Chicago University, all right? They are R.S. Crane, Norman Maclean, Elder Olson, Richard McKeown, Bernard Weinberg, all right? All of these writers, what did they do? They wrote a manifesto called Critics and Criticism, colon, Ancient and Modern. It was published in the year 1952, all right? The Neo-Aristotelian critics published a manifesto called as Critics and Criticism, Ancient and Modern. It was published in the year 1952. In this book, through this manifesto, they actually attacked the new critics, all right? And in the manifesto, R.S. Crane, who was a very prominent figure of the New Aristotelian school, talked about plot, all right? As we have discussed, plot, character, thought, diction, and dialogue, these were very crucial elements for a drama given by Aristotle in his work Poetics. So, R.S. Crane dealt with the concept of plot in this manifesto. Alright, this is all you need to remember about Neo-Aristotelian School of Critics. I hope I covered everything. And if you have any more doubts regarding this concept, please feel free to comment down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Alright, thank you.